Okay, if you're not talking to anybody, you can leave.
Well, you can leave.
No.
You're dismissed.
We can't leave.
We can't leave. I'm not leaving.
Okay, then come and talk to me.
No, I'm not going to come talk to you. I'm not going to come talk to you.
Police officer, man. Just
I know.
Did you
but
pull
I'm
the
not gonna
bike?
come talk
Did
to
you
him.
pull the bike
I'm
off
not
him?
going to come talk to
okay,
him.
that's
Did you pull the bike off him?
I did not.
Okay.
So
You just told me you
it has
did.
nothing to do with me.
Okay, you're free to leave.
Yeah, you're free to leave.
What's his name?
Preston. That's all I know.
Preston what?
I don't know.
You got an ID on your boss?
No,
I'm gonna need an ID
no
now.
ID.
Okay.
No, let's take a look, Jim, okay? I think that's
177. I got an uncooperative witness. Come on over here.
constitutional right.
I need to talk to you.
Constitutional right. No.
I need to
don't
talk
want,
to
I don't want to talk to you.
You have to talk
I don't want
to
to
me.
talk. No, I don't.
You do.
No, I don't.
Okay, you've
No, I don't.
inserted yourself.
I came down here to help them.
So-
I don't have to talk to
this is
anybody.
gonna go one of
I
two
don't have
ways.
to talk to anybody.
This is gonna go
I
one
don't
of
have
two
to talk
ways.
to anybody.
Okay, either
I
you're
don't
gonna
have to
sit
talk to
here and
anybody.
talk to me,
No,
we'll just have a short
no,
conversation,
no.
or I can arrest you for
to.
obstruction.
No, you're not. I'm not obstructing
You
anything.
are.
You're right here.
Okay.
I'm not obstructing nothing.
Okay.
These guys
Please
are taking
just-
care of it.
Please just come talk to me.
No.
Okay, turn around.
I don't want to talk to you.
Turn around right now.
No. Nope.
Turn around.
Videotape this, Sherry.
I'm already doing it.
No.
It's right here.
No.
Turn around.
No, you're wrong.
Turn around.
My constitutional rights.
around.
I don't have to talk to you. I
Turn
don't have to.
around.
I don't have to ID myself.
I know
Turn
you're
around.
He's being a
Turn around.
But
Public cop.
No,
Yeah,
he's
he
not.
is.
No, he's
My
not.
I
back
came down here to help.
Just back it up.
I don't know what
Back up.
happened,
Back
and I'm
up.
telling him that. I'm telling him that. I
Put
don't
your
know what
hand.
happened.
Hey.
Put your hand
Why
behind your
does he
back.
want to talk to me?
I'm not telling you again.
You're being a little,
No.
being a
Preston,
little bit of a dick, man.
Put your hand behind your back
No,
now.
no, you're being wrong.
Put
If you
your
don't
hand.
put
You're
your
being
hand,
wrong.
he's gonna
Videotape this, Sherry.
He's gonna get you if you don't put your hand
Videotape
on.
this.
Hey,
What are you with me for? What are you with me for? What are you with me for? What the are you with me for? I have nothing to do with this. This is up. Oh, you videotape this, Sherry.
For this incident, Loveland police ended up having to pay out $290,000.
Stop. Yeah, it's her candy. I apologize. It fell
Get on
out.
your knees, put your hands behind your back. Sir?
What the f are you doing?
Sir,
Dude,
sir.
Let go of my phone, man. Sam, take my phone. What are you doing?
Hey,
Son, get back. Get
hey,
back.
we're homeless.
You ain't a cop, man.
And we're just walking.
Show me your bag.
We're just walking across.
What the f, man? I didn't do nothing. All I did was ask your name and badge
Am I gonna have a
number.
problem with you?
No.
You smashed my phone,
Okay,
man.
calm down. Calm down.
Can we please just walk off?
Can you please let me the f up? No, stop.
No,
Stop.
get the
Stop.
f me, man.
Stop.
Give me my phone. Give me my
Take your
phone.
phone. Take your phone.
Please
Listen to me.
stop. We're just trying to walk across.
What the f is wrong with you, dude?
Jerome, let's just go.
Stop. Don't go.
Stop.
Not the thing. Stop.
Look, we're just trying to walk.
I'm not being detained by you.
Doesn't get hit.
Yes, we're just trying to walk across.
Get out of the road so your kid doesn't get hit.
We're just trying to walk across.
Guys, please.
We're just trying.
You assaulted me, dude, and it's on video.
Shower.
Stop.
No.
You tried that.
The guy in the brown hoodie here is an off-duty cop. The person recording is homeless and was just taking a stroll in the nice neighborhood with his wife and daughter. This is what happened once the police showed up.
I don't know.
Put his knee in my throat, literally had me down on the ground.
Yeah, that is true.
All because I asked for his name and badge number.
Danny Penn said he was going to have him arrested and taken to jail, and I'm like,
So I want to press charges on him. I have it on
Is
video.
he really
Would you like to see it?
And I don't think you can. Yes, sir. I don't know if you can really arrest him. You should put your hands on
Just
him.
because he's a cop, he don't have qualified immunity.
Keep-
Mr. Payne, is it alright if he speaks with you for a moment?
As long as you stand here while he
Yes,
does.
sir, of course.
Is your body cam going?
Okay. Jeremiah. Is that your name?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Detective William Thorogood with Metro Police. Okay?
Okay.
All right. I'm not trying to hurt you. Don't want to scare you. I'm really sorry for the confrontation I had in front of your child. Okay? I feel really bad about that. And I just want to apologize to you. So I am sorry for upsetting your kid, especially around the holiday season. So
Yeah, because she's never going to forget that now, and she's going to look at cops as pieces because of you.
you're absolutely right. I'm taking that into consideration. Apologize to you.
I try to teach my kid that not all cops are bad. There are good cops, and then you come out and do
Trying
that.
to be a good one, so please just hear me out, okay? Jeremiah. All right, can you hear me out?
I hear you.
All right. Let me just swallow my pride here and say I apologize for upsetting you and your family, okay?
That's
Can-
Would you like a nugget?
Yes. Yeah. But I'm not going to take for you guys during the holiday season, okay? So I'm trying to be man enough and apologize, which is a hard thing for cops to do.
Hard thing for
And I
anybody
just
to
hope
do.
that, you know,
It don't matter if
you
you're
can
a
be man
cop or
enough and accept my
not.
apology.
The fact that he got a cop to apologize to him was pretty impressive. The woman who was wrongfully arrested because she had the same name as a wanted criminal, but the cops kept her in jail for 2 weeks. This is what she had to say once she got out.
This has caused me a lot of distress in my life, a lot of anxiety. It has set me back financially. It's impacted my business. And, you know, there's a lot of people out there who this is happening to that don't have anyone advocating for them. They don't have, you know, their family fighting for them every day. And, you know, every day that they're in jail wrongfully, their lives are being dismantled.
She had to spend her nights in a cold jail cell listening to voices of other inmates screaming, crying. She saw fights within her cell. She saw fights in the common areas of the jail. She saw feces on the wall, people putting feces and doing things that she could never have imagined and things that she never wanted to see in life.
Bethany had also lost her grandmother to a stroke during this period and believes it was from the stress caused by her arrest, another one of her reasons for suing the LAPD.
This in your back pocket. I just saw you walking it.
It's a navigational age. What's the problem? You a tyrant?
Yeah, I am actually. What's your name and date of birth?
I don't have to give that unless
Yes,
I'm
sir.
doing-
I was investigating.
You have reasonable.
Do you want me to put you in
articulated
handcuffs right now? It looked like you're carrying a gun in your back pocket. I'm stopping to make sure you're carrying it properly. You don't
have
have
you
to.
ensured that it's not a firearm?
No, you keep turning so I can't see it. You don't have to be a to me.
Sir, what's she stop you for?
Or a walking stick.
So,
And it could look like a weapon. She asked you to
Really?
present it, okay?
Now she's asking me for ID.
Okay.
I don't need the ID unless there's reasonable articulated suspicion.
was that hard?
It's gonna be. I want your name and your badge
You
number.
know, I put him in jail for resisting.
Okay.
The man ended up making a public statement that he was allowed to do what he did, and that even after clearing up that it wasn't a weapon, they still arrested him.
This is not a weapon. This is an aid to a man who's legally blind. And by him merely displaying it and showing, okay, you were wrong, Jamie Goad, you were wrong, this isn't a gun, that should have been the end of the encounter.
It is the law in Florida that you are supposed to resist unlawful orders. So I made up my mind to properly, legally, and as maturely as possible, given the circumstances, to fight back with the only tools that I have.
How you doing? Got your license on you.
So why did you pull me over?
Speeding, ma'am.
No, I slowed down to 45.
No, I got you at 58 coming in there.
No. It was 40.
Sir, is a traffic stop with you? Step out for me. Step out. Step out. I'm not gonna ask you again. Step out. 8 to 1. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for disorderly conduct. I'm gonna have a seat over here with me. Right this way, sir.
Oh, you're funny. Hey, Flavia, get my phone and record this piece of
Have a seat.
Really? So he has no proof on how fast I
They
was
show up to
going?
court and then the judge will let you see the dash cam, the radar, whatever you need to see. I don't have to sit and answer your questions about a camera or anything. I'm explaining to you the citation and why your husband went on cuffs. When I walk up here and your husband's already throwing his arms up and saying, this guy's a I don't know there's a gun in here. I don't trust him. There's something wrong with your husband. I don't know if he has anger problems. Listen, let me finish. I don't know if he has anger problems or what's wrong with him. But put yourself in my shoes. If
Oh, I
you
know.
walked up,
Trust me, my life's gonna be handled.
okay, do you need help? Are you sure you're fine? Okay, because now you're telling me you're scared to go with him. I don't trust that guy. There's something wrong with him. I don't know if he has anger problems. And you can record. You don't have to hide your phone up there. Put it in front of you. You have every right to record. I don't know what's wrong with that guy. The first thing you do when you guys pass me, he sees me turn around, he throws his hands up at me. That's
because
okay. Now let me finish. That's number one.
Every time we come into Oklahoma, there's a police officer waiting for us.
Second thing, I walk up here and he's already telling you, this guy, he's a this. I get him out of here. He's a piece of. You heard it all.
First up, we have a woman who goes by the name Alex Wubbles. She is a nurse from Utah that got arrested for not allowing police to draw blood from an unconscious patient. This is how the cops handled it.
Hey. Pain.
Okay. No, we're done. We're done. You're under arrest. We're going. We're done.
Now here's what the hospital saw as well as Nurse Wubbles' reaction to the situation.
I just feel betrayed. I feel angry. I feel a lot of things, and I feel I still am confused. The only job I have as a nurse is to keep my patients safe. A blood draw is not, it just gets thrown around there like it's some simple thing, but blood is your blood. That's your property.
It was alarming. Immediately after seeing the video, they started an internal affairs investigation to look into what happened. We also looked at our policies and procedures to see if maybe there was something that needed to be done.
Once Alex was released from being arrested, she filed a lawsuit against the Salt Lake City Police Department. They eventually settled on a payout of $500,000 for her unnecessary and very violent arrest.
Let's go, bro. Let's go. Go to the hospital. Let's go. Out of the bus. Okay, let's go talk about it over here, man. Okay. Tell me what happened exactly. Hey, back up. Get out of my face. Not a warrant for you to search my car. Come here. Put your hands behind your back right now. What? Do not pull away. Do you understand me? What? Really? Lay down. Chill out, dude. What are you doing? Bring up over here. Okay. What the fuck? What are you doing? Stepping to me, huh? What the fuck is in my face? Don't think so, dude. What am I? What the fuck? What are you stopping the cops for, man? I did not ask you to get out of my car. No, I watched you. I got you on my video camera. I asked you to get out of my car. That's it. You're being an asshole to everybody. I'm not. Yes, you are. Search up here. Oh.
Notice how this cop keeps his body cam audio on mute while asking Keelan about the incident? It's a bit suspicious.
Face me. You don't have any injuries.
It is hard for me to determine if I am injured at the moment, sir.
So here's the thing. If you say that you have injuries, I'm going to do something different, okay? If you say that you don't have any injuries, then that means that nothing has happened and I can let you drive away.
Sir, I believe I...
But if you're telling me something different, then I have to do something different. So just tell me if you have any injuries.
I am telling you that it's hard for me to determine that at the moment. I will have to be able to do that when I go to the hospital after I am released from y'all's custody.
What is your name?
My name is Keelan.
Okay,
it is hard for me to determine if I'm injured at the moment.
You are not injured from my officers.
Sir, it is hard for me to determine that at the moment. I have to go to the hospital.
For what?
I just had a car wreck. I was just stabbed in the neck.
I didn't ask you about the car wreck. I asked you if my officers hurt you.
Sir, I called y'all about this car wreck that just happened. I was arrested and detained because of it. I called y'all because I was injured.
And what did I just ask you?
I don't know who injured me or what injured me.
Don't get in my face. I can hear you.
I don't know who injured me or what injured me.
Keelan had sued the Denver Police Department for racially profiling him and arresting him the way they did. He stated that all the officers were Caucasian and had treated him badly from the get-go. Keelan and the Denver City Council came to an agreement with a settlement of a $100,000 payout.
We're looking for this woman suspected of burglarizing a downtown building.
According to the lawsuit, police were told the suspect went to St. Joseph's Hospital, but instead police came here to Denver Health, the wrong hospital, and arrested Cook while she was still in her hospital bed.
I suspect that there's quite a few women who were transported from the downtown area at Denver Health at any particular point in time at Denver Health. So for the officers to make an arrest based on the identifying information that they used, which was extremely vague, was completely unconstitutional.
She then had a conversation with CBS's Katie Weiss where she shared this.
Did anyone ever apologize?
Not really. I think there was one representative from the police department that I talked to once who said, you know, the officers do want to say that they're sorry.
Denver police issued a written statement to CBS 4 about the incident, saying, quote, "The circumstances of this case are unique, and following a thorough investigation, the officers were disciplined. Documents show the officers involved were disciplined for failing to, quote, have the victim positively identify the suspect in a burglary investigation, resulting in the arrest of the wrong person."
I just feel like if you have the power to take away a person's freedom, it's an honor to have that much power, and I just think that it shouldn't be handled as lightly as they have been handling it.
Sarah has sued the Denver Police Department, and as a result, the officers who were involved have been suspended. Now we have Yesenia Garcia. She was falsely arrested after she had called the cops about her broken windshield, but when the cops got there, Yesenia was arrested immediately.
Any reason for the speed? I got pee. Okay. You have your registration insurance as well? Yeah, I do. How much did you drink tonight? None. Smell the alcohol. How long are those? Okay, come on out. Back here. Do you know how fast you're going?
About 62.
The highest speed I got on radar was 70.
70?
And that was right before I pulled you over.
I just really had to pee, that's all.
Okay, so you were also drifting in the lane. So when I was coming up behind you, you were...
Just because I was getting...
Okay. Probably not the best decision while you're driving, especially if you're in a certain career field.
I understand.
You didn't drink anything? No? Okay. Just hang tight right there. Give me a second. Alright. Not making assumptions, man. Everybody's got a job. Okay? I'm just going to check your eyes. We'll go from there, okay?
Yep.
See the finger? Here's what I want you to do, okay?
Yep.
I want you to follow the finger. The finger's going to go back and forth in front of your vision. All I want you to do is continuously follow the finger. Don't move your head. Understand? Mm-hmm. Any questions?
I do have a left eye.
What's wrong with it?
When you do your nystagmus, it's going to go up for a quick second.
What causes it? Is it endpoint nystagmus?
No, it's a head trauma from the military.
Is it just in one eye?
Yeah.
Okay. Left eye?
Yeah.
Okay.
But of course, the officer that pulled him over has to call the sergeant.
Do you remember who I am when you worked here?
Yep.
All right. Looking at your eyes, I would say you're probably close. Okay. So, in lieu of continuing, why don't we call somebody who can pick you up? Sound like a plan? It's not for me. Because if you want it, we can continue and we see how it goes. But
I would rather not. I'm in enough with my department as it is, so I would rather not. So
how about we make some calls?
Until the point in time, he was taking the call with a supervisor. You'll notice here in a second, he deactivates his microphone right before he gets to the driver.
So, I'm sure I don't need to explain to you, man. I'm going to trust that you wait to get picked up. If I see you pull back out, we'll have a different conversation.
Cover my mouth. All we're doing is detaining you right this second, okay? Done. Done.
Sarge, 75.
All right.
All right, step right in there.
Got it. One leg at a time.
One leg at a
watch
time.
your head.
Watch your head, all right?
Yo.
You felt? All right, hold on. What happened? What? You fell.
Yes.
What happened? Can you move at all?
I can't move.
What? How your leg is all the way up there?
Understand me, listen, brother.
All right, I can't move you, so I have to hold on. I'm gonna have to go get an ambulance. You started a signal 1. The subject in the van, he said he fell inside the van, and he can't move. So I'm on my way to detention right now. So please, can you start me signal 1 over there?
These officers could have handled the next situation much better, or at least realized when it's a medical emergency.
So if he really fell, we're not even moving it until the ambulance gets here, because just in case.
All right, help. Okay. I fell, I cannot move.
Move your leg. Sit up.
Why are you not listening, bro?
Sit up.
I can't move.
You're not even trying.
What's the hand? All right, now, almost there. Get your shoulders out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Stand up. There we go. All right. Get up. How you making up? Ready? Actually, go get that shit. Get the. I was fine. Listen, he was fine walking. All right. Like I said, he was kicking that door, no problem. Hold the tag door. Hold.
Sit up.
Oh my God, no.
Yeah, sit up. You're doing extra. Sit up.
Yeah, broke my neck because I can't look. Look. I can't reach.
No, we know what you're doing. Don't worry about it. See that arm? Just grab his arm.
Lucas. Huh? Lucas. He's perfectly fine. You want to put these on him? Yeah. Hold on, Ron. Hold on, Ron.
Alright.
They definitely should have got more than just paid leave.
You don't have nothing to say? You're just out here drinking and you think it's funny?
No, it's not funny.
Okay.
Things heat up after Officer Brandon Nail arrives. The officers ask him for ID, and he gets up to do that after being told to sit down.
Hey, sit down.
Hey, you don't have to talk to me.
Well, I told you to sit down.
I know.
You know what?
Yes.
Take out your ID.
The man gets up again, and that's when Officer Nail grabs him, takes him to the ground, and hits him. The man's face ends up bloodied, and he got a broken nose and concussion.
Told you to sit down, you don't sit down.
Afterward, this is how Officer Nail described what happened to another officer.
What's that?
You had a bad day.
Okay.
Minutes later, Nail also says the man attacked him. A sergeant later remarked,
"You're giving me great experience with the use of forces, dude."
The cops were put on paid leave. Then the man later filed a court case against the cops, and they have 45 days to respond to him, or his lawyers will go forward with the lawsuit.
Officers in this case treated like my client like he didn't matter. It's insulting to the human dignity of my client. And it shows the sort of level of institutional arrogance with the two police officers.
First up today is a woman who got stopped because of her taillights. The officer had asked her to get out of her car so he can search it. Did you notice the little white baggie he left on that spoon? Well, take a look at what happens when he searches the car from the passenger's side.
See the brother, David, neither he nor his brother Franklin want contact with the complainant. Apparently there's an ongoing family feud between them. He has confirmed that the brother is in town. He's 10-4. I'm 1098 crew chief. This is it.
Oh, Miss Odom.
It is yogurt, sir.
I know. Okay.
It's yogurt.
How about this, though?
That is not mine. No, sir.
I'm not going to ask you any
No,
direct, hold
sir.
on. I'm not going to ask you any direct questions. I'm going to read you your rights first, okay? So just hang out with Deputy Heike here. I have an idea. We're going to test it, though, okay?
Officer, who goes by the name Zach, then conducted a drug test, and of course, these were the results.
You what? Okay.
Yeah, there it goes.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah. Thank you, Jess. Do you have anything on you, Miss Odom?
I said I didn't have anything on me in the truck.
Oh, okay, but do you have anything on your person is what
I
I'm
have
asking.
nothing on me to my knowledge
Okay,
at
thank
all.
you. We're good.
Instead of planting evidence, these cops decided to arrest a man after a 1-minute-long interrogation with the person that called 911. The cops went to the suspect without introducing themselves and just arrested him.
No. I'm Tim. This is Brittany. That was the neighbor right there. You're the ones that called. Wait. This is Brittany. She's the one that got hit. I live here. This is my friend Brittany. And then this is my neighbor that hit her. I wasn't even here. I was outside. I literally just saw you.
Banged on the door, or through the wall. Bam, bam, bam. And I'm sleeping. Shut the f*** up. And so I came out and was like, what's going on? He busted all of my shit. My nose, my mouth. All I wanted to do was hey, what was disturbing you? And he was like, shut the fuck up. Boom.
Was he white, black,
He's
Hispanic?
white.
She's clearly drunk, right? Now let's take a look at how these professionals handled the situation.
I'm gonna put my dog in the bathroom, okay?
Okay.
What do you want? What the fuck? What's going on over there? Put it down, motherfucker!
Put it down!
Put it down!
Get on the ground down!
Back up. Get out here right now! Get out here!
I hit that
Get on
wall.
the ground!
No, they hit that wall so hard, I thought they were going to come through the wall.
What you gonna want?
Okay.
Party's unconscious.
Shit.
217 deployed. Party came out with a machete.
The poor man was just trying to explain himself, and the cops had to go and taser him, then arrest him. They didn't know if he had any heart problems or any other illnesses with his old age. We now have the time 2 officers planted evidence on 4 innocent people after stopping them for speeding.
Yo, you were just playing something in my car?
Bro, step back.
Excuse me. Wait, hold on.
Step back.
Yo, he played something in my car, yo. He put something in my car. Yo, why am I getting locked up?
Now they're clearly up to something because they just seem to be disappointed for not finding anything.
Nah, we didn't find it, but he's bugging out, so I guess now it's gonna be OGA. He's not letting us do our job, you know?
Stand back, please. Thank you. Alright, this was in the back seat on the floor. Said marijuana cigarette, lit. Just had to put it out.
But here's some more body cam footage from before the search, when another one of those officers is communicating with the cop who planted the drugs.
Hold on to this. Huh? I gotta hold on to this.
This next officer didn't necessarily plant evidence, but he did arrest this guy for a reason that is non-existent.
Smells like weed down here. Hi.
You cannot record in this private police department.
It's not a private police department. It's a public police department.
Turn that off, or I'm going to seize the camera.
This is a public area. This is no, it's my property, sir. This is a public area.
Not record in the
This
lobby
is a
of the
public
police
area.
department. It is not.
No, the Supreme Court's already decided on
Case
this.
law says you cannot record.
No,
They can
it
seize
doesn't.
this. Absolutely.
No, get off of my equipment.
Absolutely.
Get off of my equipment.
You're under arrest.
For what?
For interfering with a police officer.
Interfering with the... You're stealing my equipment.
Put your hands behind your back.
You're stealing my... This is a public lobby. I came down here to get an employee complaint form against you. I'm not resisting you. There's no need to do that. I put my hands behind my back, didn't I? No, you're not going to do that. You're obviously violating the law right now.
You're under arrest.
You were violating it yesterday.
Do not resist.
I'm not resisting. My dog is attached to me.
Here we have the man standing up for himself, and the officer very clearly states that he does not care.
What I'm doing was walking up to you. I didn't think he would be here and asking for 2 employee complaint forms. That's it. That's as far as my business would have gone. That is a public lobby. I know that from your own chief, your city attorney. Who else? It doesn't really matter past that point, does it? That is a public lobby. That is open to the public. There's no signage anywhere when you come in here that says this is private property and you can't record here. You even have your own fucking cameras right there. I find it really convenient that there's a blind spot in that hallway right in that corner. So
I understand your complaint. If you want to talk about it, I don't care. My stuff's on.
Okay.
So, I mean, you don't need to explain to me.
You seemed level-headed. You were quiet. Yesterday, you don't care about what happened yesterday. I literally came in here to file a complaint and video record that complaint. I am totally allowed to do that under federal and state law.
We'll now be witnessing another officer planting evidence after he knew he messed up. The cop who threw the taser next to the suspect had just shot the suspect 3 times. The suspect was stopped for a faulty taillight.
Oh shit. Shit. Oh shit. Fucking abuse. Fucking abuse, man.
Luckily for this case, there was physical proof of the cop planting evidence, so he got fired. But I think charges should definitely have been fired. Coming up is a cop that works hand in hand with a trooper to plant evidence. As you'll see in the first clip, the trooper seems to be rustling around a lot near the passenger seat floor.
because then you could have said, okay, well.
Now take a look at how the trooper communicates with the cop.
I'm pissing out here.
Trying to test something.
But this is where it gets even more interesting. The cop had taken his drug kit with him to search the car, like he knows he's gonna find something.
All it is smoking. It's just cigarette smoke out.
Keep all these people like that right there. Yeah, they are.
Marijuana's marijuana.
Oh yeah, okay.
Wow.
Can I see that?
Sure. You see where it's separated? Jeez. So what I'm looking for is clear on the bottom, dark on the top, like it is. Alright, so marijuana's marijuana.
After the
footage surfaced, the case for the drug possession was dismissed. Now we have the time a police sergeant planted evidence prior to calling the cops to search a scrapyard. Now see her frantic on the phone, pacing up and down. And later came out that the police sergeant had a personal vendetta on the owner of this scrapyard.